Hello and welcome back to Areen the Educator. I wanted to share my 5 ingredient inside body workout. I saw this amazing video with these ingredients and I wanted to share it with you. I made it and I wanted to share this recipe as well as eat what each ingredient does for the body. This is the disclaimer, and also as with anything before changing your diet or exercise regimen, consult your healthcare professional, whether you have to call them, email them, go in person, consult your healthcare professional, because even though these are natural ingredients, you still have to watch it because they still can affect your body differently. I do have a confession. I wanted to use regular ginger or the organic whole ginger, but I only had the ginger, the spiced ginger. So that is what I used. So here are the lemons and the garlic, and the before pictures that you saw were the pictures of the ingredients that I use. And now I am blending up those ingredients. This is the ginger, the lemons, the garlic, and the apple cider vinegar, as well as the olive oil. As you can see, the consistency is kind of pasty. So if you would like to add a little bit more apple cider vinegar or the oil, you can do it to your liking, because once you make it, you will see what you need to add a little bit more or a little bit less. But the important thing is just to start with the base that I am giving you. And this is what it looks like in the end when you're done making it. So remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Look for my next video, which will be about my skincare. Now, I will not give you all the ingredients, but maybe if you write me, I can. But it's about 17 ingredients that I use. Now, I did just want to give you a visual instead of the pictures of what it looks like. And also the taste is, it can be kind of tart, especially with me. I think I put a little bit more apple cider vinegar, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty thick. And if you imagine eating apple cider vinegar and lemon, that so it's kind of sour. And remember, I told you I got this recipe from another YouTuber, Mina Lakera Lukin or Kirkin or something like that. I just showed it on the bottom of the screen here, and you can go there. They have quite a few nice videos, but I just wanted to come on and show you. And I don't lift any weights or anything like that, but I do make sure that I drink enough water, eat right. I do not consume meat products, and also I don't consume any dairy. And the reason I do not consume dairy is because I developed an allergy for it years ago, and the allergy that I have is not lactose intolerance. It is actual an allergy where I will itch. So that's why I stay away from the dairy products. But just eat healthier and take care of yourself.